Hello class, this is a video tutorial on surface area and volume of solids. So similar to composite 2D shapes, we calculate the surface area and volume of composite solids by considering smaller portions at a time. So we're going to be going through 4 different examples. I'm going to break it up into the volume first and then the surface area of each. Now this idea of smaller portions at a time, I'm going to demonstrate that to you. And yeah, let's just go straight into it for this first example here. So for volume, we need to understand that, especially in this case, it's a prism. We have one face here, and you can imagine that this face is the same all throughout this. So going in this direction, it's all the same. So to calculate the volume, we need the area of this face, and then we're going to multiply that by the height or the depth of the prism. So for this, we need to first calculate the surface area of this front face, this face here. So to calculate that, you can do this in one of 2 ways. Most students would see this as a rectangle, so we can call that area 1, and then add on the area of this triangle. But if you have observed, it's actually just one trapezium. So the area of a trapezium, I'm going to do it this way. The area of a trapezium, the formula for a trapezium is the height divided by 2 times the 2 parallel sides, A and B. For this trapezium, the height of this trapezium is 4. So it's going to be 4 on 2 times A is this side, which corresponds to 9, and B is this side, which corresponds to 12. So 9 plus 12. So this area is going to be, let's just calculate that, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 9 plus 12 is 21. So the surface area of this is 42, and it is in centimeters squared. Now, to calculate the volume of this, so that's just the area of the front face, so that's just this face here. And like we said, to calculate volume, we find the area of one face, then we multiply it by the depth of the solid, of the face, sorry. So volume equals the area times the height, so 42, times the depth of this, which is 7. So it's going to be 42 times 7, which gives us 294 centimeter cube this time. And so that's the that's the volume of this shape. I hope you can see how really it's, in this instance, it's really just area of the face times the depth. But you could have calculated this once again as a rectangle first, and then the triangle, added them up, and then still multiply by the depth of the volume of the prism. Hope to see you in the next video, and yeah, best of luck.